It has finally arrived. The claw. Here is the old FiFiSH connection for the claw. And you can see down here, it was starting to get a little crimped where it gets bent, right? And so I think we actually had a very small wire break in there. But Kaisi, the guys who make FiFiSH, they always are improving their product. And so look at this. They came out with a freaking thicker cable, considerably, and now my claw works no problem at all. Look at this. Just a dial on my remote. Those are aluminum claws too. Look at the jaw grab on that. And you can be precision. If I just want to pick something up a little bit, oh man, I'm ready to go diving. And I'm back down at the marina, right at the edge of the dock here. Now I can dive out here. If I see any bottles or anything like that, I can go ahead and try to pick one up, you know, do my part, even though it's as small as possible, to try to help clean up some of the garbage in there. But who knows? I'm ready to set sail, or go diving, I should say. It's like sailing through the water, flying through the water, one or the other. All right, guys, good luck on your underwater mission today. Hopefully we find something cool into there. Let's bring back a bottle or two. I've laid out some line, you can see it here. I don't have to unspool it, and yep. Let me just get my bearings in the water here. Claw is working, awesome. And in the lower left-hand corner, you can see the position of my submarine in the water. I'm now facing down on a forward angle, and I am now descending into the depths. You'll also see a depth gauge just above the submarine, pointing that I'm over 20 feet deep now. In the top of the screen, you will see the amount of time I've been recording, and in the top right, you'll see the number of 92, which is my battery life on the ROV. Yes, loving that Zoidberg is back at full power with the claw. Big thank you to FiFiSH for giving me a speedy replacement on the one that was broken. And here we are. The water is 52 degrees Fahrenheit. I want to move over to these. Watch this. I'm going to goose it. The ultimate pucker. So cool. Look at that sea life. I'm going to do the same one over here. Dun 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 dun. Ta-da! I know my son Morris will be thrilled to see this. Sea life doing its own thing here. Okay, let's leave it alone. We'll be on our way here. Hey, there's Patrick. SpongeBob SquarePants. Hey, Patrick. What a great sea star. Turning on my 2 LED system here. This is on bright. You can see my position of my sub is straight down now, and I'm able to move forward with these thrusters. There's 6 thrusters on this machine, which allow me to move in every which way. Down below, I have found my first target. Look at this, there's bottles everywhere here. I'm focused on the brown bottle that's straight ahead of me. There's lots to see though. I don't have a lot of experience with the claw, only a small amount of experience. So this is going to be a bit of a challenge because there is a current underneath the water. And so I'm just trying to pick which bottle I want to go for, and I think I'm going to go for the stubby here. It looks pretty old. Now, I attempted this for quite some time. You'll see I'm at actually 46 feet down. Look at my time. I've been filming for 10 minutes. I'm struggling with the current and then trying to switch in between my modes to get exactly where I need to be, and then to get my claw closed around the bottle. Come on, buddy. Yeah, no. Patience. Yes. Yeah. Okay, open up the claw and try to just stab it around the bottle. Let's go around the bottom. Yeah, no. Oh. Not easy as I stand on the surface. Okay, let's reposition. Okay, I'm good. Minute and a half has passed. I'm trying to get it, Oh, nice. A good stab at it. And then around the neck is where I wanted it. Yes. Look how big those clamshells are in there. That clam must have grown inside. Then how did the clamshell get busted apart? This doesn't even make sense. Look at the tire. No, the FiFiSH does not have the strength to lift a tire. This is pretty epic though. I'm going, oh, smack. Oh, what? Oh. Where is it? Now I'm tangled in my tether. 41 feet, I see it. Okay. There is lots to choose from down here. Lots for me to come and clean up. Okay, here's something I can grab a little easier possibly. Look at this. Just trying to get myself there, and yeah. Just gotta squeeze that claw. It's hard to remember which way to move the dial. Oh yeah. Okay, nice. That's a good grab. My lights are on. Let's get it back to the surface from 50 feet down. Crazy. Here comes the first thing I've taken out of the ocean. Amazing what this little unit can do, hey? Wow. Okay, let's grab it. Okay, here's my second target. Oh! Slipped right out of my hand. The current, when it moves me, can move me right off the object almost immediately. You gotta be really swift. Here we go, second lineup. I like this object because of the neck on it again. So clamping it around the neck, and then kind of, well, there's something in there. Kind of swimming it up to the top. I like how I can see the surface of the water from down below. Very cool. There is item number 2. Right on, let's go for another target. Straight down to the bottom at 33 feet. I've now been filming for 28 minutes. Filming, swimming, and trying to grab these things off of the bottom. This is going to be tough. If I lost the stubby because of the shape of it. Let's get the thrust going here in the other direction. Beautiful. Now I'm trying to actually clamp the bottle right now as tight as I can because I know it's already compromised. I wanted to see if I could break it. I could not. The FiFiSH does not have enough strength to break the bottle, which is a good thing. I did pull a drone off of the bottom of my pond. It was fairly heavy. And a lot of these bottles actually have sediment in it, so that's a good thing. Let's go to the bottom again. Another one. Here's a wine bottle. It's even larger. Of course, this is how I see it through the display. And then with no app at all. Just trying to float down. Now this is when I realized my GoPro had screwed me again. My GoPro 9, it again was recording, then automatically went into a time-lapse mode, and with that, yes, with that time-lapse mode, it only records for a certain length of time and then it stops. So I'm gonna have to look at an update for that. I do have 2 GoPros, so I'll switch to the other one. This wine bottle, I cannot believe I lifted it up and we're raising out of the deep here. Just turn off my lights so I don't waste all that energy. And then of course, as we get towards the top, I find myself in a struggle because if I stop swimming, immediately the FiFiSH kind of wants to bow down because of the weight. It wants to go down in the water, but you can set the motors and the depth lock just to stay there. Let's just get this bottle. Okay, then again, straight back into the depths. Look at this, an old aluminum can. This thing has been shredded. It's okay. Let's get it out of the water. Here's another bottle. This thing also has been damaged. That's okay. Look at this. I'm starting to dial it in now, right? Now I'm starting to be able to grab it and get it. But look how long I've been diving. 48 minutes. Look at my battery power. 37% left. That's pretty insane. Look at this. Raising it off the bottom. No problem at all. And we can swim towards the top. Plenty of power. Oh, Afro likes that. Buddy texts me right in the middle of everything going on. Get rid of my bottle and then get right back down into hunting for another one. And as DJ Khaled would say, another one and another one. Because if I can get all this garbage out of here and get practice with my FiFiSH, when I do find something valuable, I'm going to be able to grab it. Look at this. Another one. Absolutely awesome. Filming for 54 minutes, 26% battery. At 20% battery, the ROV will give you a warning. So I know I have enough for one more quick dive and one more bottle if I can grab it off the ground. Can you imagine all the humans tossing all these bottles in here? This is just an accumulation of bottles on the bottom from people partying. Well, I didn't find any sunken treasure, which I really wasn't expecting, but you never know. Just in helping clean up the bay, even with the little amount I got, you know, at least I can always say that I was at a place and then I always left it better than when I arrived, which is another common mantra I have in my life. Be less selfish, more selfless, and also leave a place better than when you found it, right? So look at this. Let's see what we got. Zoidberg, great job with the claw today, buddy. Big win there. Now look at this. I know. Oh, are you also celebrating? Hello, Mr. Crow at the top of the mast. You're a tiny fella. Look at this. What is this, an old preserves jar? Yeah, it kind of looks like an old jam jar or something like that, hey? What's in there? Neat. And then what is that animal on the bottom, hey? I know everybody that lives near the ocean will tell me in the comment section right now and educate me. Thank you very much. Did we find any bottles with any notes in it? No, but ironically, all of the bottles' tops are broken. Let's see if we found anything in here. Dirt and sludge. Anything in here? Yep, more sediment on the bottom. Lots of little shells. I don't think anything else in there. Just lots of dirt. What the heck are you? Ah, he's attached to me! Come on. There you go. Whole bunch of rocks. Look at this, an old cider can. Yeah. Summer peach. It looks like a real peach now. At least it's not in the bottom of the bay. And then our last one here for bottles. No messages, that's good. Would have been a little late for me to get it anyway. And then of course this must be a filter of some sort. I don't see any line on it for it to be a filter except right there. Is this a trap of some sort? A trap for what though? Huh. Look at that. Piece of crab, I think. No. What the? Look at this, was a crab. What the heck is that? hard outer shell, and then inside, here's this little tiny claw. Oh, he's alive! Hello, little dude. Oh, there's his legs. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to disturb you. Sir, you were most certainly alive. Well, then I should set you free back to your home. Who am I to take you out? Hey, you're going to have a great story for all your friends, sir. Good luck. Back to the water. Bye-bye. You can now captain the boat that's down there. So not too bad after all. Everything is kind of cool. Now I can just kind of recycle this stuff, put it in the bin at the top. And let me know if you guys, a lot of people aren't watching these dive videos. I have a great time doing these dive videos. It's a lot of work to do the voiceovers and stuff, but I don't care. I think exploring is super cool, and I'll always be an explorer. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. Turn on the bell for notifications. Drop me a like, click, jump up and down on one foot, pat your head, rub your stomach, and we'll see you in the next episode of RC Adventures. Bye! Let's see here. 1, 2. This is where your home should have been in the beginning. Glass. Aluminum. Yeah. Throw it in the bin, man. How hard is it?